right, I have a half cup of melted unsalted butter in here. This is gonna be one bowl. We're not gonna use multiple, one bowl. Now I have 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna add 1 egg. Now I'm gonna move this. This is applesauce that I canned last year. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of this. So if anyone did not know, there are measurements. I don't know if you can see it. There are measurements on ball jars. So I'm gonna go by my ball jar measurement and add 1.5 cups. All right, now I'm gonna add 2 cups of just regular all-purpose flour. All right, I'm gonna add pumpkin pie spice because it calls for nutmeg and cinnamon. So I'm just gonna add a little pumpkin pie spice. This is literally so easy. It's just 1 bowl. I don't have to get all the bowls out. This is the best. All right, now 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt, of which I accidentally got salt that is not, it's coarse, so, oops. All right, I buttered and floured this loaf pan. So now I'm just gonna maybe pour this in here. I say maybe because this is a weird angle for me and I might miss. I don't know if I mentioned this. I don't think I did. I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Yeah, this is a weird angle. Like pouring it forward instead of like a normal person. But that's because there's a camera here. All right, now I have some coarse sugar that I got. And I'm gonna just sprinkle it on the top. And then I'm gonna bake this, like I said, at 350 for 55 to 65 minutes. This is optional. This is just what the recipe said to do, so I decided to just follow the recipe. I warmed it up and I put butter on it because that's how I feel It's kind of dry. I won't lie. I feel it's more dry than I would have liked. But I did it exactly the way it said.
It's still really good.
It is good. I like the flavor.
It almost tastes like a brown bread molasses kind of a thing.
Yeah. I don't really get like the apple flavor in it, which I'm not sure.
I don't think you're supposed to. I think apples are supposed to get moisture, which really didn't give that much moisture.
I mean, it's still good. I'd make it again. What you like? I guess you do like it because you're nodding and eating. Definitely the trick is to warm it up with a little bit of butter on it, though. It is good. I'll give it that. But I don't think it tastes like apples. I don't even smell apples in it, really.
Like, triggers a memory I have. I feel like it almost oddly smells like an Auntie Anne shop.
Like the pretzel place?
It's got like a brown cinnamon.
It does have like a brown. I know that sounds stupid, but it has a brown smell. And I don't know, like.
Like a toasted.
Yeah, kind of toasted. I know brown doesn't have a smell, but like. It's kind of like sweet and nutty smelling, I guess. But there's no nut in it. Like, it just.
What's all in it?
Flour, butter. Brown sugar. It's probably the brown sugar. That's the only sugar in it. It's probably the brown sugar that gives it that.
But brown sugar has molasses, right?
Well,
I think so.
yeah, I think so.
Is that it?
Is what it?
Is that the brown sugar?
No, that's sugar in the raw.
Look up.
You Googling it for the people really quickly?
I think that's what makes brown sugar brown sugar.
I mean, I could just pull out the brown sugar thing.
I don't know if it'll say.
You're gonna have to fast.
Brown sugar is sucrose that gets its brown color and flavor and moisture from molasses.
Then yeah, that's actually what it smells. It does smell very like molasses-like. So, also the next video is at Kathy's, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna make apple cider donuts tomorrow. You probably won't be in it, but you'll get to taste them. I'll bring some home. So yeah, that's the next thing I'm gonna make.
You get some milk glass plates to match.
You know what's funny is my dad literally said to my mom, should I get her the plates too? And my mom said, no, she doesn't want stuff. Like, she doesn't like stuff.
I mean, we have a lot of stuff. We need to get rid of some stuff. I'm just saying,
I know, I love this. I love it. But anyway, so that is funny. My mom will watch this and she'll be like, dang it. Okay, anyway, do you have anything else to say to the camera?
That's really good.
Okay, Jonathan won't see you in the next video. Okay, bye!